Hello, I'm back with another one. Today I'm sharing with you one of my family's favorite breakfast or snack recipe, and this is no other than this yummy looking potato wedges. Let's get started. All right, family, we got some potatoes, and I love to make quite a bunch whenever I'm making this because we can't have enough of it. You can go ahead and use your potatoes just as it is. It will be fine. But I love to peel my potatoes because I love the appearance. I'm going for a certain kind of look for my potato wedges. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and wash our potatoes and we will be back to cut them. Oh, our potatoes are washed. Look at how squeaky clean the water is. So we're going to go ahead and cut them now into wedges. You can cut them into two, into whatever cute size, desirable size of your choice. But I love to cut mine this way. So while we're cutting our potatoes, if you're new to my channel, a very, very warm welcome to you. I'm so excited to have you here. Please consider being a part of the family by hitting on that subscribe button, and you have to hit on the notification bell or else YouTube will show you my videos. Okay, to my old G's, my friends, my family, always coming to support. Mwah. Thank you so much. Oh, look at how beautiful it looks. So let's go ahead and transfer this into a bowl. Now, while this is going on, I had already heat up some vegetable oil is on fire. So we're going to salt our potatoes and make sure that it, and then season with some black pepper. That's how I love to do mine. Now make sure that you salt it. Let it not be too salty, but let it not be bland either. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and fry this first. You can boil it. It's delicious. But I tell you, there's something about frying it first as though you were frying your normal chips. The only difference is you're not going to let it fry completely until it is dried out, okay? It gives it an absolutely different kind of flavor. Yes, but if you want to go totally healthy, you can skip this part. You can just boil it till it is al dente, or you can just put it in the oven and it will just take a longer cooking time and it will still be delicious. Yes. So this is the texture we want for our potatoes. So I'm just going to put it in the paper towel and let the oil strain out. So we'll fry our second batch. Okay. I got some butter. Make sure you use good quality butter for this recipe. I know why I'm saying that. This is my garlic and ginger minced, of course. I'm saying this because, and then the pepper, a scotch bonnet pepper, because I live in Nigeria and a lot of people, I guess, don't have access to good quality butter. Most times people use margarine, which is quite affordable. But please, as much as you can, if you're here in Nigeria, just try and get a good quality butter somewhere in a good supermarket. You will find them there and use it for this recipe. Okay. And then in went my parsley. Don't skip parsley for this recipe. And I'm using some dry leaves. Yes. So you want to mix all of this together. Of course, I'm adding some extra black pepper. Simple seasonings. Now this butter is a little bit much, but I really, really, really want it to have that buttery taste and flavor. So I'm going to go ahead and use it like this. This is how I do it most of the time, and then I strain out some of the butter while it bakes. Okay, you can just use little, however, it's based on personal preference. Look at how pretty it's looking. Mix everything until it is well combined. Okay, we're going to go ahead and place this in a baking tray. So I've lined it with some parchment paper. So we're going to just line them beautifully. Preheat your oven to about 380. So I actually forgot to salt. Just add a little bit of extra salt to it and dunk in the oven. After about 25, 30 minutes, this is what we have. It's perfectly crispy. Okay, I said it's perfectly crispy. My toddler just walked in on me, so I had to pause. It's perfectly crispy on the outside and it's so soft, juicy, and succulent on the inside. So tasty. And here I am going in with some Parmesan cheese and, of course, garnish with some parsley. Now, the cheese, you can do more, you can do less, you can do mozzarella, but grating it is work. Everybody should grate for himself. Okay, look at how beautiful this looks. Breakfast is ready. This is a perfect breakfast. So filling, so delicious. You can eat it just as it is. I add mine with some ketchup, and sometimes I enjoy it with any dipping sauce that I have available at home. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know how it went. Your children are gonna love this. Don't worry, it's not so spicy. It's just okay. It's just perfect. Just a little bit of spice. Now let's plate our food. Oh, I forgot to tell you, it smells good. Yes. I'll be back with another amazing recipe. I promise so, so soon. Let's taste. Look at that. So soft. So good.